I'm Inish from Nourish with NISH, and today I'm going to be talking to you a little bit about what it is that I do and how the Swansea Enterprise team have helped me get to where I am today. So Nourish with NISH is the name of my cookbook. So in my third year of my undergraduate studies, alongside studying for my degree, I wrote a student cookbook for vegan recipe. And then at the beginning of the book, it has sort of an introduction and a handbook into student life, adjusting to student life. It covers things such as time management, studying, budgeting, how to do your laundry, cooking tips, kitchen tips. There's a full guide in how to transition to going vegan if you're not really sure where to start. All of that good stuff is covered in the beginning of the book. So where does the Swansea Enterprise team come into all of this? Really positive, really friendly, really supportive. Every single member in their team was so approachable. The main ways in which I cannot speak highly enough about the Swansea Enterprise team is the one-on-one support that they are able to offer. The Swansea Enterprise team were able to really give me some very good advice on what I should do, things to look out for, plenty of support, non-stop encouragement. Alongside all of that one-to-one support, they also within their department have incubation spaces. When it came to looking through my publishing contract and deciding what to do and making sure there were no huge pitfalls that had been written into it, I obviously had never even seen a contract before this. I had no idea where to begin. Taking it to the enterprise team and just having a lot of one-to-one guidance and support with that was monumental to me. No question is too big or too small. They don't make you feel silly for asking any questions because they can recognise that this is completely new to you. They are extremely supportive and they truly are willing to help you, and they want you to do the best for yourself and the best for your business and your brand.